As a rule, it takes hours to make a regular project Gantt chart. Now, with our free AI Gantt chart maker, it's done in minutes. You won't need any specific AI or project management skills. Just follow these easy steps. First, go to Ganpro.com and open the AI tab. Here, you can either write a project description from scratch or use one of the many proven templates. The most popular section offers universal prompts for common requests, while the others provide specific templates for the industries like construction, manufacturing, marketing, IT, and more. Let's take residential construction as an instance. Its description contains a complete journey from initial site preparation and permitting through structural build-out to final finishing and handover. If you have any unique requirements, don't forget to edit the prompt. For example, refine some step or specify the team members responsible for the tasks. Whatever it is, goals, timeframes, or team assignments, the more details you add, the better your final Gantt chart will be. When you finish, click Generate with AI. While we are waiting, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips on project management. And before we knew it, the AI organized all the data into a Gantt chart. Let's review your plan in Gantt Pro. As you can see, all the key elements are in their place. The app has turned the prompt into a ready-to-use project plan with a clear timeline, phases, tasks, and even suggested dependencies. And of course, everything remains editable. Just invite your teammates and start managing the project. For example, adjust dates or assign a task to the corresponding specialist. It's also possible to manage the project via Kanban board, list view, or dashboard. Just as easy as that. Let the free Gantt Pro AI do the planning work, while you focus on execution. Try it out yourself at Ganpro.com or via the link in the description.